Guys, welcome back to another video. So this time we're looking at triple brackets, and these are the ones you commonly find in A-star problems. So how do we do it? Well, for any triple bracket, all we simply have to do is multiply any two brackets together, and it doesn't really matter which pair of brackets we hit first, as long as we multiply two pairs together. So finally, once you do that, you're going to be given a quadratic in one bracket and a regular linear in another one, and so we can use the FOIL method again. Now, most importantly, we have to lay out the result neatly. Okay, so this is the final key step. Now, to do this, let's just have a look at the example below, yeah? So here we're told to expand and simplify 2y plus 4 times y minus 5 times y plus 1. Now, the first point said multiply any two brackets. I'm going to use these two here because they seem a lot simpler to do. So using the FOIL method, we can simply, so let's just put a little barrier here, so this is what we're doing. So we can use a FOIL, so simply y times y, and then y times 1. And the next will be minus 5 times y, and minus 5 times 1. So expanding this one, we should get y times y, which is y squared. Y times 1 is 1y, or plus y. Minus 5 times y is minus 5y. And finally, minus 5 times 1 is minus 5. And of course, sort of tidying this up, we should get y squared. So y take away 5y should give you negative 4y minus 5. Okay, so that's that part done. So therefore, what we should have at this stage is going to be 2y plus 4 times the new quadratic, which is y squared minus 4y minus 5. Okay, so now removing all of this. Oops. So now deleting this part. Now all we have to simply do is use the FOIL method here. So changing the color of my pen, we can simply multiply term by term. So we can do 2y times y squared, 2y times minus 4, and then 2y times minus 5. So same thing, 4 times y squared, 4 times minus 4y, and 4 times minus 5. Now when I say do this neatly, you're going to notice that we're going to get a cubic expression. So let's check this out. We're going to write the first row here, and then the second row, we're going to move a 1 shifted to the right by 1 unit. So let's see this. So 2y times y squared will give us 2y cubed. 2y times minus 4y will give us minus 8y squared. And 2y times minus 5 will give us minus 10y. Now, let's move on to 4. So 4 times y squared and 4 times the rest. So 4 times y squared, we're going to put it here. So we're going to match the code. We're going to match the y units. So you get 4y squared. So I want us to match the powers, yeah? And 4 times minus 4 give us minus 16y. And lastly, 4 times minus 5 will give us minus 20. And now all we simply do, I'm going to just draw a straight line here, is simply, straight line. This is simply add these values up, okay? So instead of collecting terms, we can just do it the old-fashioned way, but it's important to line up like you do in long multiplication, so or column method. So nothing plus minus 20 is minus 20, minus 10 minus 16y is minus 26y, minus 8y squared plus 4y squared will give us minus 4y squared, and lastly 2y cubed plus nothing is 2y cubed. And that's it, guys. This is literally how you expand it using the FOIL plus the neat column method. And when you have, of course, more brackets involved, try and repeat the method by always moving one step across, okay? But yeah, with 4 brackets, you're not going to do this alone. You would use a completely different method called the binomial expansion. But yeah, enough about that. All I want to say is have a good day. I hope this video helped. Try again, pause this video, and just have a pop at it. See if you get the same result. And if you do, well done and ciao. See you all next time. Take care.